Hey, let's talk about that feeling. That sinking feeling when you know you have an amazing idea to launch, but you're just staring at a blank page, totally paralyzed. What if I told you we could get you a complete strategic launch plan in literally minutes? Yeah, let's do this.
This right here is the blank page problem. It's that huge, overwhelming sense that the to-do list is a mile long before you've even written down task number one. And look, it happens to the best of us. But today, we're going to fix it for good.
Does this look a little too familiar? That blinking cursor, just mocking you, waiting for some stroke of genius that feels like it's a million miles away. This is the danger zone. This is where incredible ideas just fizzle out. So really, it all comes down to a choice between two paths. On the one hand, you've got total chaos, missteps, scrambling, and that all too familiar burnout. But on the other side, with the blueprint, you get clarity. You know everything is covered, and you're setting yourself up for actual success. The stakes couldn't be higher.
So how do we get that blueprint without spending weeks agonizing over it? Well, this is where we bring in our co-pilot, AI. I really want you to stop thinking of AI as a replacement for you and start seeing it as a strategic partner that gives you a massive head start.
This quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Your launch is a skyscraper. It's a huge project with so many moving parts, and trying to build it without a plan, well, you're just asking for the whole thing to come crashing down. That roadmap is non-negotiable.
Okay, so how does this actually work? Well, the real magic isn't just the AI itself, it's what you feed it. The quality of the blueprint you get out is 100% dependent on the quality of the instructions you put in. It's all about the prompt.
You've probably heard this before, but it has never been more true than it is with AI. Garbage in, garbage out. You give it a lazy, vague request, you're going to get a lazy, vague plan. But if you give it specific, detailed, rich information, pure gold, you get a golden blueprint back.
So what does this pure gold look like? Well, it's got 4 essential ingredients. First up, your goal. And be specific, like a dollar amount. Second, your timeline. Give it the exact dates. Third, your milestones. What are the big can't-miss moments, like a webinar? And finally, your assets. Tell the AI what you're working with, like the size of your email list or your social media following.
Now let's look at a real-world example. See how specific this is? The goal isn't just make sales, it's $10,000 in sales. The timeline is crystal clear. The milestones are listed out. The assets are quantified. This is the kind of detail that gets you a plan you can actually use. All right, you've done the work. You've crafted this beautiful, specific prompt filled with all the juicy details of your launch. Now for the really fun part. We take it and we just hand it over to the AI. And boom, in literally seconds, less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee, the AI processes everything and spits out a full comprehensive launch plan. Just take a second to think about the hours, the stress, the headaches you just saved. It's a game changer.
And check this out. It's not just a random list of tasks. It's a logical, chronological roadmap. It knows to have you announce the masterclass before you host it. It builds excitement before opening the cart. It's smart, it's actionable, and you can get started with it right away.
Okay, but hold on. We're not quite done. Getting the plan from the AI isn't the final step. It gives you the perfect technical structure, but a great launch needs something more. It needs you. This plan is just the starting point.
The AI can give you the what and the when, but it can't give you your unique voice, your passion, or that special connection you have with your audience. That's the soul of the launch. Your job is to take this perfect structure and breathe your own life and energy into it.
And one of the most critical ways to add your own flow is by building in what I call buffer time. The AI might give you a plan that's packed from wall to wall, and that's just a recipe for burnout. Buffer time is that intentional white space on your calendar for rest, for new ideas, and, for when life happens. It's what makes a plan sustainable.
Okay, let's put it all together. Let's create your action plan. We've officially moved from that paralyzing blank page to a concrete, actionable strategy. Now it's time to make it happen.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's simple. AI completely solves the blank page problem. The better your prompt, the better your plan. And the real beauty of this is that having this blueprint frees up all your mental energy so you can focus on the stuff that actually matters, connecting with your people. You now have this incredible tool.
So, you've got the strategy, you've got the tool, the paralysis is gone, you have a clear path forward. So the only question left is, what amazing thing are you going to launch first?
Go get 'em.